Sawadee Ka, so foodies. I'm Chef Nikki and I'm here to show you that making Thai food is not just yummy, it is easy, fun, and definitely something that's going to feed your soul. Today, we're gonna make a butterfly pea limeade, and it is gonna be so amazing that you will want to see the magic unfold. My passion is about bringing heartwarming flavors of Thailand into your kitchen. It's gotta be fun and utterly delightful. Cooking is about laughter, sharing moments, and having all the magic together. So today, that is exactly the vibe we're creating in this recipe. We're gonna need some fresh limes to make fresh lime juice. We have simple syrup, the butterfly pea flowers themselves, glassware, and some soda or sparkling water, and ice. Let's begin with our butterfly pea extract. We're going to boil about a cup of water and half a cup of the flowers until a beautiful blue hue comes out. And my secret is the flowers actually have no color left. Okay, looks like we have this beautiful blue hue and we're going to just strain it out. It's so pretty. And by the way, it's not just for color, these butterfly pea flowers. They have amazing antioxidants and memory boosting qualities. We need that. Now onto our simple syrup. We're going to heat up 1 part water, 1 part sugar, bring it up to a boil, let all the sugar melt away, and then let it cool. Now onto the limes. We're going to squeeze about 1 ounce of lime juice per glass for that essential tang. Fill the glass with ice. Now we're going to layer in our simple syrup, which is our sweet base. Add in your sparkling water. In Thai cooking, it is all about the balance between the sweet and sour. Now we float the butterfly pea extract. Look at how beautiful that is! Oh my God, so pretty. Hand your friend a shot of lime juice so the magic will unfold in front of them. It's gonna go from blue to this really cool, beautiful purple. In Thailand, butterfly pea flower actually cools the body, reduces inflammation, and it is the true essence of Thai wellness. That's so refreshing. It's like the perfect balance of sweet and tang. So good. Cooking Thai food at home is so fun. For more recipes, check out my cookbook, Thai Food and Travel with Chef Nikky. Easy Thai recipes to feed your soul. Available on my website at chefnikky.com. And also on my website, you can get tips, tricks, and tales from my kitchen to yours. Don't forget to hit like, share the joy, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Remember, food is our bridge to sharing stories and smiles. See you in the next video. Thank you and khop kun ka.